In class one time, one of the students came in and said, "Oh, I saw something on a Al-Qaeda training video." And what it was essentially, I said, "Don't tell me what it is, just come show me." Krav Maga, mostly of our teaching methods, a lot of our regular applications apply to weapons as well. So we'll talk about that another time. But with a full Nelson came to mind immediately when he came and put this on me. And let me show you exactly what I'm referring to. So he comes up, he puts his arm behind, this one is kind of controlling my head, and now the gun is at the temple in this way right here. Okay? Looks like a very dicey situation. In actuality, it's not too difficult to deal with. So again, from here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop out of the line of fire, key and critical. I drop my arms quickly. While I'm in this situation, I'm not going to be doing a test to see if I can move his arm. Hey, easy man, I'll do whatever you want. I'll do whatever you want. I'm moving it down. At this point, my other hand is right here. I come take the gun out. All right, I have a few different options. If I can pin his other arm and hammer him with an elbow. If his arm is here, I may come take the fingers and twist them. So again, from this position, and I'm going to turn out a second. From here, my elbows are going to collapse quickly, and the point where after I'm talking to him, look, I'll do whatever you want, just don't hurt me, down. Okay? I can get the weapon here, go right away, or you can also use an option, elbow hard, and then come out at this point. Whichever action is available to you at that point. Whether you take the gun first, or you take it second after your strike. So one more time from a little different angle here. All right, bring it down. I'm out of the line of fire. I can elbow him here, come take the gun out, or again, I've got his arm pinned, so everything is tight. Here, if I want, I can grab some fingers, come out, take him to the ground, hammer, or whatever it is. You have a number of different options here. One more time from the other side, in this position. Dropping it down, hit him first, come take it out. In this case, I come out this way. Kick and hit, drop him to the ground, whatever I choose to do at this point.